welcome to my channel. So this is probably gonna be a quick video. For those of you who don't know Manus yet, you can sign up for free and you'll get free credits daily. Let me know in the comments if you need an invite link. That will give me more free credits. I'm not sure if it gives any free credits to you or what the exact advantage is. Oh yeah, we both get 500 credits, it says. Yeah, so that's good to know. So do let me know in the comments if you would like my invite link. I'm gonna do a quick test here of Manus, something out of the usual. So I have some teeth I need to fix. I found this website where they sell material that is meant for dentists, but I'm considering to try because I really don't have the budget right now. So what I did, I sent 2 pictures. I uploaded 2 pictures of my teeth. I'm gonna spare you of the actual pictures, but you can see them over here, very small. So to show the issues with my teeth, and then I uploaded a tooth chart, which corresponds to teeth that you can buy. Let me see if I can show you that here. Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, so it's gonna. I asked Manus to give me the corresponding codes. Okay, so let's go ahead and click. Too many files open. It happens every time, and then I don't remember. Okay, this is Manus. Yeah. So there we go. Send. Let's see. I'm really not sure. Oh my God! Now you can see my teeth bigger. Oh, that's sad. Okay. I cannot provide medical advice or recommendations, including which teeth you should buy. Please consult with a qualified dentist or orthodontist. Oh, okay. Let's see, maybe I can formulate it differently. Looking at my teeth, which ones do you think are missing? Oh no, he doesn't want to. Okay. That's sad. I don't know how much credits that costs me. Okay, too bad. That's another no-go. I'm gonna try with another AI, but let me first set that up. Okay, let's try with MiniMax Agent. I already have a video where I tell you that MiniMax is better than Manus, and especially it's cheaper. Let's see if it's also less law-abiding. I'm sure there's some rules that made Manus decline my request. So let's run this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Maybe they'll tell me the same. I'm just lazy. I mean, I could easily look at the chart myself and then figure it out, but I thought I would just give this a try, you know? And then it's like a little experiment. Oh, they say they're gonna help me analyze my tooth images. That's good. That's great. I love that. So yeah, you see the Chinese here. MiniMax AI is Chinese, but I think Manus is probably too. But yeah, MiniMax might be the pirates of them. So it's probably gonna take a little while. So I wonder what ChatGPT would do with these things. Let's see. Let's start a new chat here with ChatGPT. I'm gonna guess they're not gonna do it, but okay, let's upload those files here too while we wait for a lovely teed. While we wait for MiniMax Agent, which is still in beta, as far as I know. Well, it doesn't say, oh yeah, it does say beta still, yeah. So maybe that's why it works. Okay, so let's copy our prompt. See, I'm lazy. Just gonna copy this from here and then see what Gemini Pro tells us. There's a new version, Gemini Pro. Oh, yeah, I'm on it. So it used to be on this one. Now we're on that one, and yeah, this newer probably means better in this case. Okay, they're still uploading my pictures apparently, but quite fast in MiniMax. But let's see, to chart. So you can see here how MiniMax works. He kind of tells you what he's doing, yeah. He's extracting all the product codes and the corresponding tooth descriptions, including tooth type. Okay. So we wait. Let's see, Gemini. Okay, there we are. Okay, let's run and let's see what Gemini tells us. Maybe they tell us why they cannot do it if they cannot do it. Unlike to Manus, who just said, oh no, sorry, go to your dentist. Let's see. Oh, yeah, identifying the core limitation, reframing. They're not gonna generating a safe response. They're not gonna do it. They could, but they're not gonna do it. Yeah, they do give us a bit more information. So I cannot provide medical or dental advice as I'm an IA assistant. But you know, they are working on that. They can do it, but they save it for the actual dentists. So your actual dentist can now use AI to analyze your teeth, and that's okay, but I cannot do it. Selecting and fitting a dental crown is a complex medical procedure that requires the expertise of a licensed dentist. Based on the images you provided, oh, it does tell me something. It appears you're missing an upper premolar, also known as a bicuspid. So he's being helpful at least. So yes, thank you, Gemini. You score well on helpfulness. According to the this tooth would be upper bicuspid sizes. I have no clue how to pronounce that. Okay. The chart lists 2 options for this area. Yeah. So it depends if my teeth are small or big. I'm not sure what you think. Small or big. Professional diagnosis is required. Sizing is crucial. Yeah, I figure. I mean, I would probably buy a few small ones. So they have this set that, yeah, I mean, I don't recommend you to try to do it at home, but attempting this yourself can lead to serious infection. Okay, so don't copy me, but I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah, damage to the underlying tooth, but maybe that's the problem. The tooth is damaged. So please consult a qualified dentist. Yeah, and for some of these I need actually a bridge, which I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fix myself. But, okay, let's see. MiniMax, what did you tell me? Okay, it's not very... You didn't see the one cuspid that Gemini talked to me about. He didn't see that. He says upper teeth appear to be mostly intact and in good condition, but he missed my one teeth over here. He didn't see that, so let's copy paste. Let's copy paste this, and then I think you may have missed this. Would you say large or small? Large or small? Ah. So yeah, he's not very precise. No, yeah, okay, let's go. So now you can, yeah, he's working again because I asked another question. So we'll go into view all files and then look at the report again. Yeah, so that's where we were. Then you can download that. It's in like markdown. Lower teeth options, very small or small, working. So I'll definitely need to check that myself. But lower posterior teeth. Okay, so it did respond. In like it gave more concrete examples of the missing teeth, but it's not very sure about it. And then it does include recommend consulting with your dental professional. No, yeah. You're absolutely right. Okay. Yeah. So he looked better at my picture, and he does see that I'm missing that upper bicuspid, and he recommends the large one. And he thinks my teeth are not particularly small, my upper teeth, so he would go for large. That's probably what I would have done too. Yeah, my facial proportions suggest standard adulthood sizing. Okay, well guys, so who's best if you don't want to go to the dentist? I mean, if you're in pain, definitely do see your dentist. But you know, there's some of those DIY kits around. But there's also more professional ones around, like the one that I found on this website. It says extraordinary 5-minute temporary crown. This is intended to be used by dentists, but I'm using something that I saw in a YouTube video once to fix my front tooth actually, and they didn't detect that there's something wrong with it because I fixed it myself. It's completely broken off actually, but it starts to look weird after a while. So I have to replace it quite often. I'm looking for something that is a bit more stable, so I'll try to buy one of these. So they sell these teeth and you fit it on your teeth. Once you have the good one, you put in like the acrylic. Yeah, it depends if you're a bit handy, and yeah, you have to judge that yourself. Some people will probably like, oh no way. But if you look at the price, you know, the actual tooth is only $7.80. It is provisional, so it's not like meant to be forever. But yeah, the solution I'm using right now is not forever either, absolutely. And then you do need to buy the material, like the acrylic, which is gonna be more. Yeah, these are like the full sets, and they're on sale. Give you, well, full set for posterior or for anterior. So yeah, the material itself is actually not expensive. So if you know exactly which teeth you need, this could be super, super cheap. As you can tell, I haven't tried ordering from them yet. I hope it will work. They even have free samples. So here you can select your size. This is for the front teeth. Yeah, this is specifically for front teeth, so I will need one for here. I hope it will work. I mean, the other thing worked. I'm able to do that, so why not? Okay, guys, this is probably a super weird video, but I hope it's useful for some people, and I hope you saw the comparison between Manus, who was not being helpful at all, and then our MiniMax Agent, who was probably the most helpful, although he needed some guidance, and then the smartest one, as usual, I think, is Gemini Pro. But they are also more restricted, more like Manus, but at least they were a lot more helpful, and they did give me some answers. Maybe he didn't see, it looks like he didn't look at the other picture. I think if I would have insisted, he would also give me more info, like like MiniMax Agent. So I'll do that after the video. This is long enough now. Thank you, guys. If you want to see more special content like this, follow my channel. I'll be posting a lot more of these videos. I take them in one shot, so please, I do apologize for all the pausing and weird stuff I say. Okay.